Are you looking for a way to improve your health without sacrificing taste? In this video, I'm going to show you how drinking coconut milk can benefit your body and make you look and feel better. Hi there! Welcome back to Vaidic Wellness. I'm here to talk about the amazing benefits of coconut milk. Coconut milk has been used for centuries in countries all over the world, but only recently it's gaining traction as a superfood. From reducing inflammation to boosting your immune system, drinking coconut milk can have dramatic effects on your health. So if you're ready to give your health a boost with natural ingredients, keep watching. Number 1. Heart health. Providing our body with the right kind of food is crucial to maintaining our overall health, especially when it comes to our heart. A lesser-known food that can do wonders for our heart is coconut milk. Surprisingly, it contains a healthy fat called lauric acid, which helps lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels, thus improving cardiovascular health. An added advantage is that it can also benefit people with diabetes as it helps regulate blood sugar levels. So, next time when you're considering a dairy alternative for your morning smoothie, swap it for some delicious and heart-healthy coconut milk and give your body the boost it deserves. Number 2. Bone health. Healthy bones are important at every stage of life, and taking care of them involves more than just getting enough calcium. But did you know that coconut milk can be a great addition to your diet for bone health? This tropical drink packs in important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are crucial for keeping your bones and teeth strong. Plus, coconut milk is a delicious and versatile food that can be used in everything from smoothies to curries. And if you're dealing with diabetes, you'll be happy to know that coconut milk can also be a good choice for managing blood sugar levels. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit your overall health? Number 3. Weight loss. In today's society, people are always looking for ways to slim down and maintain a healthy weight. One food that has been gaining popularity in the weight loss community is coconut milk. This dairy-free milk substitute is not only low in calories, but it's also high in healthy fats that can help you feel fuller longer. As a result, you may find yourself eating less and ultimately shedding unwanted pounds. But did you know that coconut milk may also be beneficial for those with diabetes? While more research is needed, some studies have shown that the healthy fats in coconut milk may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. So why not give this trendy milk a try and see how it can benefit your weight loss journey and potentially your diabetes management as well? Number 4. Immune system support. As the old saying goes, you are what you eat. And when it comes to supporting our immune systems, choosing the right foods can make all the difference. Enter coconut milk, a delicious and nutritious ingredient that has some surprising health benefits. One of the most exciting is its ability to boost our immune system's defenses against infection. The unique fatty acids found in coconut milk are particularly powerful, helping to improve our body's overall ability to fight off harmful invaders. This is especially good news for those with diabetes, who may be more susceptible to infections due to the impact of the condition on the immune system. So if you're looking for a tasty and healthy way to support your immune system, consider adding some coconut milk to your regular diet. Number 5. Brain function. Food is a common factor in maintaining optimal brain function, and incorporating the right kinds of food into your diet can make all the difference. One food that has been gaining popularity in recent years is coconut milk, and for good reason. Coconut milk is packed with essential electrolytes that can benefit the body in many ways, including improving focus and memory recall. This is especially important for individuals with diabetes, as studies have shown that lifestyle changes such as incorporating healthy foods like coconut milk can increase cognitive function and help manage the effects of diabetes. So, next time you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your brain function, be sure to add coconut milk to your grocery list. Number 6. Skin health. Maintaining healthy skin can sometimes feel like an elusive goal. However, with the right diet, it's possible to achieve a glowing complexion. One food that is gaining popularity for its skin health benefits is coconut milk. Not only is this delicious beverage a great plant-based alternative to dairy milk, but it's also packed with antioxidants that help protect the skin from free radical damage and signs of aging. For those with diabetes, incorporating coconut milk into their diet can also be a smart choice as it has a lower glycemic index compared to traditional dairy milk. With all of these benefits, it's easy to see why coconut milk is becoming a popular ingredient in a variety of recipes. So why not give it a try and see if it helps give you the radiant skin you've always wanted? Number 7. Digestive health. Maintaining good digestive health is essential for everyone, especially for those with diabetes. A healthy diet with a good amount of natural fiber can help regulate bowel movement and promote better intestinal health. That's where coconut milk can come in handy. With its rich natural fiber content, coconut milk can contribute to good digestion and a healthy gut. Not to mention, it also makes for a delicious addition to many dishes, from smoothies to curries. So next time you're looking to improve your digestive health and add some delicious food to your plate, consider incorporating coconut milk into your diet. So there you have it, folks. The surprising health benefits of drinking coconut milk every day. From providing essential nutrients to boosting your heart health and energy levels, this creamy drink is truly a superfood in disguise. So why not swap out your regular milk for some coconut milk and reap all these amazing benefits? And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our channel and stay updated on all things health and wellness. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.